Hey guys, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring. It's always so lovely to be with you. And today we've got a very simple equation question, but this will be one of those questions in the start of your test where an examiner is trying to ease you into the test. It also gives you an opportunity to practice some of the basic rules before they start throwing the more challenging questions at you. Now, typically a question like this would be by inspection. So that means you don't necessarily have to use the rules of equations that are taught to you by your teacher, and you just need to make sense of what the equation is trying to say. So what do I mean by that? If we look at what this equation is saying, on the left hand side we see that y minus 17 equals 13. So we know y is some number that if 17 is subtracted from it, we are left with 13. Now, in my mind, the answer is fairly simple. We know that y has to equal 30, because if y is equal to 30, we know that 30 minus 17 gives you 13. But now what does this look like if we apply the rules of equations? Now what do we do typically is we try and isolate, we try and keep the letters on one side and we move all the numbers over to the other side. How do we do that? Well, we need to apply the inverse operations. What do I mean by inverse operations? Do you see that we've got a minus 17 over here and we want to try and keep this y by itself? So the inverse operation of minus is plus. So what we need to do is we need to add 17 on this side. But if we add 17 on that side, in order to make sure this equal sign still makes sense, we need to add 17 on the other side to make everything balanced. So the second step would look something like this. 13 plus 17. Now the 17 on this side has been cancelled out because I added 17 on the right hand side, which would have cancelled that 17 out. But because I need to keep both sides balanced, I had to add the 17 on the other side. The final step then would be 13 plus 17 gives you 30, which is the same answer as we had already said through the inspection. Right guys, that is all from me. Thank you so much. Hope this helped. Before I go, a special shout out to our sponsors who've made this video possible. For more information about them, find their details in the description below. If you're looking for more educational videos, be sure to check out our website. And if you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can send us that question and we will send you a personalized video right back. And we'll even give you a shout out. Until the next time guys, stay epic.